Take a look at this 2024 Chevrolet Blazer 2LT here in Chickasha with right around 31,000 miles on it. This Blazer comes with front-wheel drive and a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, giving you a nice balance of everyday efficiency with 22 city and 29 highway miles per gallon. Inside, you get dual-zone automatic climate control and an 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, so getting comfortable is easy. It's also equipped with driver assistance features like lane keeping assist, pre-collision warning, and LED headlights to help keep you aware on the road. This one is priced at $27,988 plus a $299 dock fee for a final price of $28,287 plus tax, tag, and title. We work with over 30 banks and credit unions. Give us a call or visit bryans.carcorner.com to schedule a time to see this Blazer in person.